In this video, I will show you the fundamental science of affirmation and provide you with reasons to strengthen your trust in it. In this video, we delve into the fascinating world of affirmations and discover their immense importance in our lives. Unlock the secrets of positive self-talk, rewiring your mind, and unleashing your true potential. While the power of affirmations has long been recognized as fictional, recent scientific research sheds light on the underlying mechanisms and the actual activity that occurs in the brain when we affirm. Using some real-life examples of famous people who have used this technique to achieve remarkable heights, I'll explain the science behind affirmations and their profound impact on our mindset, emotions, and success. In this video, we will explore the scientific approach behind affirmations, their benefits, common mistakes, step-by-step process, and the importance of our brain and heart in the affirmation process. So get ready to embark on a transformative adventure where the power of words becomes your greatest ally. Get ready to embrace the extraordinary power of affirmations and embark on a journey of personal growth and fulfillment. Before moving ahead, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, and in the comments section request the universe to send its positive field towards you by writing, "I manifest, I deserve, and I'm worthy." Affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves to challenge negative thoughts and beliefs, and to reinforce our self-esteem and confidence. They are often used as a tool for personal growth, motivation, and well-being. But do affirmations really work? And if so, how? To give you the right answer to this question, I'll have to tell you about the most important parts of our brains and nervous systems and what happens to them when we affirm with emotions. Studies have shown that affirmations can activate the prefrontal cortex of our brain, a region responsible for decision-making, emotional regulation, and self-relevance. This activation leads to increased activity in the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine and reinforcing positive thoughts and emotions associated with the affirmation. This process helps solidify the belief and encourages the individual to take necessary actions aligned with their affirmation. Science says the affirmation practice can have a significant impact on our brain and heart, both physically and psychologically. One of the key areas of scientific interest regarding affirmations is neuroplasticity. This is the brain's ability to reorganize itself and form new neural connections. Neuroplasticity is a fundamental property of the brain that allows it to adapt and change in response to experiences and learning. When we engage in affirmations, we stimulate neuroplasticity by activating certain brain regions involved in self-reflection, emotion regulation, and self-related processing. By doing this, the brain makes new neural pathways that help it think and feel positively. This can change our brain structure and function, making us more resilient, optimistic, and confident. Our brain and heart are also connected by the vagus nerve, which is a major component of the parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system is responsible for the relaxation response, which counteracts the stress response. By using affirmations, we can stimulate the vagus nerve to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting calmness, relaxation, and well-being. By using affirmations, we can influence our heart to lower its rate and pressure, reducing the stress response and improving our cardiovascular health. This can also create a positive feedback loop between our heart and brain, enhancing our emotional regulation and cognitive performance. Will Smith, the renowned actor and producer, has openly shared his belief in the power of affirmations. He has attributed his success to affirming positive beliefs about himself and his abilities. Smith emphasizes the importance of maintaining a positive mindset and visualizing success through affirmations. J.K. Rowling, the renowned author of the Harry Potter series, has shared her experience with affirmations. During a difficult period in her life, she wrote affirmations on paper and carried them with her as a reminder of her goals and potential. Rowling has emphasized the significance of positive self-talk in maintaining resilience and achieving success. Louise Hay was one of the pioneers of affirmation practice and self-help literature. She wrote several books on affirmations. She used affirmations to heal herself from cancer and to inspire millions of people around the world to improve their lives. Jack Canfield and Elizabeth Gilbert, who are both best-selling authors and motivational speakers, have used affirmations to reach their goals and help others do the same. Now I'll tell you the most common mistakes people make when they affirm, which is why they don't get the best results. While affirmations can be very powerful, they are not magic. They require regular practice, consistency, and sincerity to work. The first mistake people do are lack of belief and emotional engagement. Simply repeating affirmations without genuine belief and emotional engagement diminishes their effectiveness. To harness the power of affirmations, it is crucial to cultivate sincere belief and infuse positive emotions while stating them. Because when we truly believe in the affirmations and feel positive emotions while stating them, our subconscious mind becomes more receptive to their message. This allows the affirmations to penetrate deeply into our psyche and create lasting change in our thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors, using affirmations that are too vague or unrealistic. For example, saying, "I am rich," or "I am perfect in particular area," may not be very helpful or believable. Instead, it is better to use affirmations that are specific, realistic, and achievable. For example, saying, "I am working hard to improve my financial situation," or "I am proud of my strengths and achievements," may be more effective. Consistency is key when it comes to affirmations. A one-time or sporadic practice will not produce significant results. Regular repetition of affirmations helps reinforce positive neural pathways and strengthen desired beliefs over time. Affirmations are not magical words that can make everything happen instantly. They are statements that reflect our true potential and power as human beings. They are reminders that we are good enough, smart enough, attractive enough, etc., just as we are. They are expressions of gratitude for what we have and what we can do. They are declarations of intention for what we want and how we want to be. Remember, the power to shape your reality lies within your thoughts and words. By harnessing the science-backed techniques of affirmations, you can cultivate self-confidence, positivity, and resilience. And in the comments section, request the universe to send its positive field towards you by writing, "I manifest," "I deserve," "I'm worthy."
Want to learn some skills that'll pay you for life? Here's the stuff that helped me build my dream life. Check out the links in the description or in my bio and take your pick.